Are you recording right
I'm
now?
recording right now. Hello people, good to see you again. I'm glad I'm using my webcam right now because with my digital camera I captured a wide angle and everyone could see my mess. But now my big head is in the way of all my mess. So it's pretty excellent. Good work, Ida. And besides, the webcam doesn't take as much whatever. Doesn't matter. Point is, I've got stuff to talk about. I'm gonna do it right now. Laura's here. She's laughing. She's trying not to, but it didn't really work. Anyway, me and Laura went. She's waving us. It's good, because I made up a new word today, and I'm gonna say it, and she's gonna be laughing at that as well. Anyway, me and Laura went plum scrimping. Yes, plum scrimping the other day. If anyone has ever heard of the word scrimping, please let me know, because I don't know what kind of people use that word. I don't know, maybe like Eskimos. Anyway, we went plum scrimping the other day, which means stealing someone else's plums or apples or whatever. But we did plums this time. Yeah, and first in this one garden where I knew there wouldn't be any people because this is a summer house, we were fine and we just climbed up the trees and stuff and got great plums. But then, no!